Hey everyone, welcome to a new Maker Minute, and I'm excited to share something that really just makes life a little bit easier in my space. Come here, take a look. What's printing? It's the question I get more than anything else in the Makerspace. And sometimes I just can't remember because there are so many projects going on. So to solve that problem, I have something pretty simple. Dry erase board. Cut into tiny little squares that allow kids to write down what their project is and who's printing it. Here is a moon for a microphone by Ari, and we have log by Anthony in grade 7. And there you have it. Quick tip and trick just to help keep track of what's printing and when. I hope this Maker Minute was super helpful to all of you. If you have your own ideas, don't forget to tag me at The Nerdy Teacher and at Demco to share them with us. See you next week.